Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in HubSpot. Forms are essential for capturing leads, collecting contact information, and engaging with your website visitors. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to HubSpot.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one or start a free trial. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all marketing activities. Now look at the left navigation panel and hover over or click on Marketing. This will expand a submenu with various marketing tools available in HubSpot. Within this submenu, locate and click on Forms. This opens the Forms editor where you'll be able to create and manage all your lead capture forms. Once you're in the Forms section, click the Create Form button in the upper right corner. HubSpot will ask you to choose between the Form Editor and the Legacy Form Editor. Go with the Form Editor as it offers more modern features and flexibility, then click Next in the top right of your screen. At this point, you'll see a selection of templates to choose from. Browse through these options and pick one that aligns with your needs, or if you prefer to build something completely custom, select a blank template. Click on your chosen template to open the editor and begin customizing. In the editor, start by entering a form name in the top field. This helps you organize and identify your forms later, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns. If prompted, set your target page or published form settings to control where this form will appear. Now comes the fun part, adding your form fields. In the left panel, you'll see a variety of field options like name, email, phone number, and more. Simply drag and drop the fields you need onto your form canvas. Click on each field to edit its label, placeholder text, and whether it's required or optional. If you need a custom property that doesn't exist yet, use the Create New option to add it. Next, open the Options tab to configure what happens after someone submits your form. Here you can set up follow-up actions, submission notifications, and customize the success message that appears. Depending on your plan, you can also set up follow-up emails or redirect users to a specific thank you page. To ensure your form matches your brand, head over to the Style and Preview tab. Here you can adjust colors, fonts, and button styles to align with your website's look and feel. Consistent branding helps build trust and makes your forms feel like a natural part of your site. Configure where the form will appear by adjusting your visibility options or publish settings. You can choose to display it on specific pages or site-wide. If your HubSpot plan includes it, enable progressive profiling or smart fields to avoid asking repeat visitors for the same information. Before going live, click the Preview button to see how your form looks on both desktop and mobile devices. It's also smart to do a test submission to verify that data is being captured correctly and that your follow-up actions are working as intended. Finally, click Publish or Update to make your form live. After publishing, keep an eye on submissions and don't hesitate to adjust fields or settings based on performance and feedback. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.